Hello, in this video I want to show you how to quickly transfer any type of file from your iPhone to Samsung Galaxy S23 series. And to do this, you will need to download the same app on both of the devices. So open Google Play Store on your Samsung and open the App Store on your iPhone. Here look for Send Anywhere File Transfer app. Click on the cloud with arrow pointing down on your iPhone and install on your Samsung. When it's ready, launch app on both of the devices and grant all permissions and accept to all terms. From here, app is ready and we can begin sending. And a quick note, use the Wi-Fi, don't use your mobile data for that if you have access to Wi-Fi, as it takes a lot of data to actually transfer the files between these two devices, and it wouldn't be perfect to lose all of your mobile data for that. So pardon me, if you want to receive the files on your Samsung, change to Receive tab right here. And now select what type of files you want to send from your iPhone to this device. You have photos, so select them like that. Just press on each of the photo. You can also select entire days of photos like that. You can also see the videos, contacts, but you'll need to add additional access, and files, so that means you can basically send anything from your phone to this one. And now when you selected all of the files that you need, click on send. Got it. And here you can see the code, QR code, and a share link. You can use all those three ways to send the files and scan the QR code if you want to use the QR code, share the link to the phone that you want to send the files to if you like the link. I'm just gonna go with code, that's why we are in the Receive tab, and here enter the code 626 and 355. Receive. Allow this notification, it's very important. And from here the file transfer should begin. Now it's completed and we can click on a pack of files. Also, let's do it right here and compare the quality. As you can see, it's the same. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.